Hello everyone, welcome back to our class. So, I hope you all are fine and you are doing good. Okay, so let's start our today's class. Okay, so as you have seen, like you have seen, like in village or somewhere else, in roads or in forest, pig. You have seen over there pig. Okay, so you have seen over the pig. If I have one story, you have to tell me. Like, if pig die first, then after that, how they convert into wheat, how they convert into wheat, their all bodies converted into like wheat. Okay, so you have to tell me. Okay, so later on, first the pig body, full body will be there. Then after some parts will be reduced, and after that some part will be reduced. Then after that some part will be reduced. After that, it's converted into the like pet. Okay, so now tell me, how do you relate this process of decaying of a pig with chemical reaction? how you how how you will relate this process of decaying of a pig with chemical reaction, of a decaying of a chemical reaction. Okay, so here you can see that hypothesize or sit quiet, like here you can see that they are converted into pit because when we keep that pig body inside the pit, then it's got converted into pit. Okay, so here now we will discuss about the decomposition reaction. Okay, so today's our topic is chemical decomposition reaction. Okay, so composition reaction. Okay, so moving further. Okay, so can you tell me what do you understand by decomposition reaction? Okay, so I will tell you, like, it is defined as the reaction in which a single compound is split into two or more simple substance under suitable condition. It is just the opposite of combination reaction. Okay, so this is the opposite of combination reaction, because here you can see that which a single compound splits when a single compound splits into two or more simple substance undergo suitable condition. Okay, so here the general form of decomposition reaction is like, here you first we will write equation, like we will take one example, this is AB, it's react like A plus B. So this will be the reactant, and here this will be the product. Same as like combination reaction. In combination reaction, you have seen over there, this A plus B is reactant and AB is product. Okay, so same as this is opposite to the combination reaction. Okay, for example, here decomposition of water, we will check one other equation, like decomposition of water. So here water which break it into oxygen and hydrogen. So here equation will be like 2H2OI, it will be 2H2G plus O2G. Okay, so this is the reaction. Okay, like a decomposition reaction. Okay, so moving further, I hope till now is clear to you what is decomposition reaction. Okay, so I have a statement for you, like calcium carbonate will decompose to form carbon dioxide and calcium chloride. You have to write out the equation. Okay, so here we can see that for that equation will be CaCO3, it will be reactant that CaO plus CO2. Okay, so this will be the equation. So here this CaCO3 will be the reactant and this CaCO plus CO2 will be the product. I hope everyone is clear till now. Okay, so yes, very good. You are clear. Everyone is clear. So I have one statement for you. You have to tell me the statement is true or false. Like decomposition is the reverse of combination reaction. Its statement is true or false? Yes, you are saying that statement is true. So the answer will be for this statement true. Okay. So very good, student. So moving further, let's discuss. Okay, so moving further, I have one activity for you. You have to perform that activity and you have to tell me your observation. Okay, so you can open in your book like activity 1.5 and you read and I will also read and you have to tell me the observation after doing the experiment. Like, take about 2 gram ferrous sulfate crystal in a dry boiling tube and note the color of the ferrous sulfate crystal. Okay, so later heat the boiling tube over the flame of a burner or split lamp as shown in figure 1.4 and you have to observe the color of the crystal after heating. Okay, so you have to tell me your observation, okay, by watching the lab. Okay, so here what will be the observation? Yes, please share the observation. Yes, very good. Like on heating the color changes from light green to white. Very good. On further heating the white substance changes to dark brown solid. Yes, very good. Now tell me, why do you conclude from this? What do you conclude from this activity? Like in from this activity, is there in this reaction ferrous sulfate crystal lose water when heated, and the color of the crystal change, such as a reaction in which at a single reactant break down to give simpler product. This is decomposition reaction. Yes, very good. So here tell me, like what is the use of burner in this activity, and without burner activity will happen or not happen. So here, like we need to use this burner to do that activity. Okay, so now we will come to know the concept of thermal decomposition reaction. So now tell me, student, the definition of thermal composition reaction in your own word. Okay, so very good. So here, we will come to know the thermal decomposition reaction. Like what is thermal decomposition reaction? So here it is a chemical reaction where a single substance break into two or more simple substance when heated. Okay, like when it's heated, it's break into two or more two or more simple substance. Okay, this reaction is usually endothermic because heat is required to break the bond present in the substance. For example, we can take ferrous sulfate crystal FeSO4 7H2O lose water when heated and the color of the crystal changes. It then decomposes to ferric oxide like Fe2O3, sulfur dioxide SO2, and sulfur trioxide SO3. Ferric oxide is a solid while SO2 and SO3 are gases. Okay, so here I will write the equation and please note down that equation in your notebook. Okay. So here is the equation 2Fe SO4 as its reactant arrow Fe2O3 S plus SO2G plus SO3G. Okay, I hope you have written this equation. Like this will be the reactant and this will be the product. Okay, so I hope everyone is clear till now what is the thermal decomposition reaction. Okay, so very good. So now I have question for you, like dash are the product of the decomposition reaction of ferrous sulfate that occurs on heating. So here the answer will be the like thermal so this will be the answer here, thermal decomposition. Okay, so I hope everyone is clear till now. So let's move further. Okay, let's move further. We'll come to know, like, yes, very good. Yes, have you seen this have you seen that big like type of like disc in our lab we have seen like one type of plate or cutter. You can consider that in our chemistry lab having we are having that type of plate or cup, then we can call as a china dish. Okay, so you have to identify. Okay, like wait a minute. Yes, okay, so here there is one activity related to decomposition reaction. Okay, so you that activity is given on your notebook. Please read carefully and share your observation. What is the observation of your after reading that activity? Okay, so here like your like observation will be like white silver chloride turn gray in light. Now if there is no light, then what, then will activity complete or not? Yes, like here if the there is will be no light, then will this activity complete or not? Okay, so we need light to complete this activity. Okay, so for this we will come to know the concept of photo decomposition reaction. Okay, so here now tell me, what do you understand by photo decomposition reaction? So here photo decomposition reaction is a chemical reaction in which substance is broken down into simple substance by exposure to light photons. Like for example, white silver chloride turns gray in sunlight. This is due to decomposition of silver chloride into silver and chlorine by light. Okay, so here for this I will write over here the equation like 2Az note down this equation in your notebook. 2ags, like this will be the white, okay, then arrow, like sunlight, when the sunlight will come, then it will convert it into 2az as plus Cl2g. This will be in gray color, okay. So this is the equation for of photo decomposition reaction, okay. So I hope everyone is clear till now what is photo decomposition reaction. Okay, now tell me, what do you think when silver bromide also decomposes in the light, then what is the chemical equation for this? Okay, now tell me for that equation, what will be the equation here, what will be the reaction, chemical equation for this reaction? So here the chemical reaction for that equation, it will be 2Ag Br as sunlight, it's converted into 2Ags 2Ags plus Br2G. So this will be the equation for this, okay, silver bromide also, okay. So here I have question for you, like white silver chloride in sunlight turn into yellow, remain white, gray and red. Which one will be the answer here? Like with white silver chloride in sunlight turns to which color? Like yellow and remain white, gray, red, which type of color? So here we can see it will become gray, okay. Okay, yes, so let's recapitulate our today's class. Yes, so today we have learned about decomposition reaction, and now let's summarize the class. Okay, so what we have learned about decomposition reaction. Okay, so decomposition reaction is defined as the reaction in which a single compound is split into two or more simple substance under suitable condition. Okay, so after that, thermal decomposition reaction, like it is a chemical reaction where a single substance breaks into two or more simple substance when heated, okay. And after that we have discussed about photo decomposition reaction, like it is a chemical reaction in which a substance is broken down into a simple substance by exposure to light photons, okay. So like okay, so here, like first chemical reaction, then types of chemical reaction, then the composition reaction, decomposition reaction, after a thermal and photo decomposition reaction, like first one will be thermal and second one will be the photo decomposition reaction, okay. So in our today's class we have discussed about this, okay. So coming to the next, I have homework for you, okay. So you have to differentiate between thermal and photo decomposition reaction, okay. I have given over there, and define decomposition reaction and search out more examples related with chemical reaction in our space and note down in the following table. Like second question is that write one equation each for decomposition reaction where energy is supplied and in the form of heat or light. Why are decomposition reaction called the opposite of composition reaction? Write equation for this reaction. Okay, so I hope you have write down the homework, and we will meet in next class. Okay, so thank you everyone.